welcome back to my channel, and I love you, everyone. And if you need download the driver, this here for driver Canon PIXMA. This here for your serial. You type here download driver download is right, and this here for all the official driver for the website. You click here usa.com usa.canon.com. This here for the printer. Is for more much the printer. Okay, and oh no. If you need to download the driver, click here for software and driver, and this here for the tag your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Linux, you click here. This here for the Linux Macintosh, and this here for Windows. And I'm sure for the Macintosh, and this here for the Macintosh version. Match the Macintosh version this year for the Windows. Match the Windows the driver, and this year for the Linux. This year for match the Linux the version. Okay, and this video I need download driver for Windows. Click here for Windows, and this here for the new version for Windows 11. Click here, and this here for support for Windows 11 recommended for you, and this here for easy auto print, and this here for recommended sorry, a full driver and software package. And I am a recommendation for you. You download her for you download here for the software package for the full driver and software package. You click here download, and this here for the driver download. Okay, if you need install the for the driver in your laptop or PC, you turn on the power printer. You turn on the printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer, and your see detect for cable and control panel. And you're looking control panel. You see here, and this here for the view device and the printer. And you're looking the printer serial for put the USB. Okay, you're looking here for the printer, and if you need the finished download, you click here for the drive for the load. You click you open the file, you click tag, and you click finish, and this here for the tag automatic your USB cable printer. Okay, and if you need question, comment below. If you need link download below, you search for by Google. Okay, if you need download, you search for by Google. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time the video.